welcome back to my channel. It's another vloggy vlog, and I'm gonna take you guys with me and a friend to come over and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so we have arrived. We are at landing. It's just a little bit out of Boom, and we basically came to get some cashew. They don't have a lot on the tree, but we came to see what we could get, and these dogs are biting me. So yeah, we're just here for a little bit, not staying long. Just came to see what we could get. So I'm gonna show you guys the cashew tree. It's been over like 13 years since I've had one of these. So I was really excited when my dad was like, hey, let's go to the countryside to get some cashew. So these are the cashews. So it's soft, and then this area is just thick. But yeah. What do you guys call these in your country? What do you guys call it in your country, if you guys have it? There's two right here ready to be picked. I'm not too sure if it was full. Look at these. Okay. Got it. I can't wait to taste it. Like, I just need to wash it off first, but definitely. Yeah, this
make sure you know what far along.
It doesn't have a seed inside, so it makes it easier for you to just chew it up and eat it. There's more over this side, and these are bigger. The only thing about coming to the countryside that I'm scared of is the doctor flies, because there's a lot of doctor flies out here. So far it's good, but like, that's my biggest fear. Oh my goodness, this is a big one, but I don't think it's ready. This one is a very big one. First time I've ever seen something so big. But it's soft on the top, but I'm not sure if it's ready. How do you guys know if the bigger ones are ready? Because this right here is still green. Yeah, look at this big one. This one is super big. I don't know why I'm acting like, it's my first time seeing cashew, but like, I guess it's just an excitement because it's been years since I've had one and had some. But let me tell you, it went down good, real good. Yeah, see this one? Real big. Then there's another one here. I think they're ready though, so I'm just gonna pick them because they're soft. don't know, but there's something about a country vibe that gets me every time. I love the country vibe. I love coming in the country area and just chilling, relaxing, eating fruits and foods and all those good stuff. And I don't do that a lot here in Belize. So to know that I'm able to actually come and get something, especially cashew that I love and I haven't seen for years, makes me feel like I'm in heaven. So this is the stew cashew. This is basically the cashew mixed with sugar and different spices and so forth. And then this is what it looks like. So basically it comes from this to this. So I'm gonna try it. I haven't had this in a very long time. It's really, really good. The stew one is really good. It's sweet, but it's really good. I love it. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I had a good time. I picked a lot of cashew, ate a lot of cashew, and I'm full. So it's time for us to head back down to the city now. Don't forget to subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend to come over to Anta's vlogs. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.